everyone, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a shampoo bar recipe for dry and or colored hair from time to time based on mango, Murumuru, Castor and Carrot. I already have put in a bowl water, my combination of surfactant, mango butter, Murumuru butter and castor oil ready to go to the bain-marie. Once my preparation is melted, I'm gonna to mix it and add almond milk powder and neutral henna. I'll mix again and add carrot oil macerate, silk protein and fragrance oil. I'll mix one last time, then pour into my mold. As always, I use my favorite combination of surfactant. It doesn't itch and lather enough to suit people around me who are used to commercial shampoo. I choose to use a mixture of 2 butter, mango and murumuru, and 2 oils, castor and carrot, known to strengthen the hair, nourish it, repair it, soften it, help prevent the formation of fogs, fortify it, embellish it, sheath it, and bring it radiance and shine. Silk protein will help to maintain the hydration of the hair and will make it more silky and shiny. Almond milk powder slow down dehydration and neutral henna soothes the scalp and makes hair supple and shiny. I liked you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.